ZEAL Network is Germany's leading online provider of lottery products, combining digital innovation with a strong customer focus. Today, CFO Andrea Behrendt presents the 9-month 2025 financial results, highlighting key performance metrics, strategic progress, and the growth outlook for ZEAL Network. Andrea, the stage is yours.
Hello and welcome to our Q3 numbers presentation from ZEAL Network. My name is Andrea Behrendt. I'm the CFO of the company, and I'm proud to present our great numbers from Q3. So the headline is, we are executing against our strategy consistently over the last quarters and very successfully. So despite the weak jackpot environment, we were able to accelerate our growth in the customer base. We were increasing our gross margin overall and grew profitable. So that means we actually achieved a high EBITDA and we raised our guidance in September. Let's go into the jackpot environment first to give a little bit of context of our Q3 results. The jackpot environment is a crucial indicator for our environment, and you have seen that in Q3 we had 2 peak jackpots. This brings us up in 2025 for the first 9 months to a relatively weak jackpot situation with 4 peak jackpots in Eurojackpot, compared to last year's 6 peak jackpots at this time. Despite this weak jackpot environment, we had a very strong performance in the first 3 quarters. And in the next slide, we will see how this translates into our financials. So let me highlight here 3 numbers on our financials. Overall, we have seen a growth of 34% on revenues. This is driven by the increased billings by 12%, and we will see some details later, and a notable margin improvement up to 17.5% in margin that we see now. We also increased our marketing spend by 35% and acquired a significant number of new customers, especially in such a weak jackpot environment that we had. And bottom line, we grew efficiently and built up a strong EBITDA of 54 million and really maintaining the momentum of the last quarters, delivering efficient growth. Let's take a closer look at our 12% in lottery billings, a good achievement, especially in the weak jackpot environment that we had. The growth is based on our strong customer base that we acquired in Q4, but also all the new customers that came in 2025. And this helped us to reach over 1.5 million new monthly active users on our platform. And these customers are spending around 59 euros per month. So that's a really great number and very stable for our overall customer base. And that builds up the 12% billings growth. And on the other hand, we have the second growth driver, that's our customer acquisition, so that we are growing our customer base and generate value for the overall company. We acquired a record number of 879,000 new customers in 2025. And that's a clear sign that our marketing is efficient, because we are just investing in efficient marketing measures. And we have really the ability also in weak jackpot environments to grow our customer base. The overall cost per lead per new customer is at 46.5 euros. And this was an expected increase in 2025, first of all, due to the weak jackpot environment that we are facing, but also because of increased overall media prices on the relevant platforms that you know, and also the active decision to customer acquisition into now our new products, especially to call out Traumhausverlosung. The other part of the business is also driving, and we are very proud of that our games business is still continuing to grow, even with the restriction we have. We have an improved games portfolio and now have nearly 600 games live, and also invested into additional product features that really resonate with our customers. And therefore, we increased our overall games billing year over year by 51%. And now to Traumhausverlosung, also a very successful story. We are now in our house raffle number 5. The first four raffles are done, very successful. The last raffle was our house in St. Peter-Ording, what was the best house campaign so far. So we're very proud of these results. We are already now raffling out our Bavarian house that you see on the picture, one of my favorite houses. And in the back, we already have the next campaign number 6 live. And here we are going to Germany's favorite holiday destination, and it's Mallorca. So I'm very much looking forward to the performance of this house. In summary, Q3, or the first 9 months of this year actually, the company has seen a significantly increase of numbers of active customers, and we are over 1.5 million active customers live on our platform every month. We have a gross margin of 17.5%, and we really focus on profitability and efficiency. And with that, we were able to deliver an EBITDA of 54 million euros with an EBITDA margin of 33%. So this concludes my overview of the first 9 months of ZEAL Network. Thanks a lot for your interest in ZEAL, and we are looking to present the next results to you.
Thank you, Andrea, for sharing these insightful updates on ZEAL Network's performance and strategy. For investors interested in learning more, visit Seat 11A to explore additional videos, including the elevator pitch, financial results, and deep dive presentations, offering a comprehensive view of ZEAL Network's growth trajectory and market opportunities.
Disclaimer. As described in the legal section on our website, seat11a.com, this publication is for informational purposes only. This means it is not intended to provide you with any investment advice. Any opinion or recommendation expressed by the companies is neither given nor supported by us and should not be considered investment advice from our side. Also, remember that any opinion or recommendation expressed is subject to change without further notice. The content is obtained from sources believed to be reliable, but we do not guarantee its accuracy, completeness, or timeliness. Seat11a.com and its employees disclaim all liability for any loss that may arise in any form from any use of the information in the video, audio, and on our website. We neither express any opinion on the future value of any security or other investment vehicle, nor recommend any investment based on the information provided. Please consider the publications and our website as a platform for companies to present themselves. You need to seek financial advice from an expert regarding the accuracy and appropriateness of the material presented or recommended by the companies in the publication. As we are just considered a publisher, we may hold and trade securities in the presenting company, whether it is a listed or private company. By consuming our content, you agree to these terms and the terms in our legal section on our website.